To you live on 3/3/2026. I'm doing a hit recap from our Bowman Draft 2025 Mega Box Choose Team 5-box break number 3. All right, we pulled an Eli Willits Mega Box, Xavier Nevins to 150 blue die cut for the Astros, and a green to 99 of Carson Bench. Now, every card will ship, guys. That was just the numbered cards that we pulled. And it will ship out this week from PA. Appreciate you guys filling it up. More baseball on the site right there. Check it out. SBB 25 off. We'll take 25% off of those breaks.